Today I'm going to show you how you can check your word count in Google Docs. So unlike Microsoft Word, where you can easily see your word count, it is not like that in Google Docs. So today I'm going to show you how you can check your word count in 2 easy ways. So the first way is to click on Tools and click on Word Count. Alright, so before you do that, the first thing you need to do is to highlight your text. So let's highlight the text here. So after highlighting your text, go to Tools and click on Word Count. So this is the word count. We have words, so 4 words, characters, and everything. So when you click on OK, after seeing your word count, you can click on OK. So another thing is that if you want your word count to display while you're typing, just check this box. Click on this box, click on OK, and now we have our word count here. So when you are typing, your word count will show. So let's try this. Let me try to write 1 or 2 things. You can see that the word count is increasing. So click on this to add your word count. So another way to check your word count is to click Ctrl Shift C, Ctrl Shift and C,